Welcome. This video will demonstrate how to use the powerful research feature to centralize and manage all your source materials. We'll begin from the main navigation menu. From the menu on the left, we'll select the Research tab. This opens the Research dashboard, your central hub for all source materials. On the left, you can see a list of your existing research items, and the main pane on the right is ready to display content. To add a new source, simply click the Add New Research button. A dialog appears, giving you three flexible options for adding material: pasting a URL, uploading a PDF, or uploading a DOCX file. For this demonstration, we'll add an article from the web. We'll paste its URL into the input field and click Add Research. A confirmation message appears, and the new source is now added to our list. Clicking on this new item automatically fetches and displays its content in the Research Content area. The platform has successfully extracted the text from the web page, making it available for you to use directly in your projects. Finally, you can easily navigate back to your profile or any other section of the application. With the Research feature, all your source material is organized, accessible, and ready to streamline your workflow.